This is Angela from Ewon Support. In this video, we will look at certificate and key management for authentication between your Flexy's OPC UA client and an OPC UA server. The Flexy's OPC UA client supports anonymous connections, but it also supports authenticated connections using either a username and password or a certificate. In order to use a certificate for authentication, we will need to provide the Flexy with a certificate and associated private key for its side of the authentication process. Begin by configuring and updating the Flexy's OPC UA I/O server. General information about configuring the OPC UA I/O server is available in our other videos. When we first enable the Flexy's OPC UA I/O server, the Flexy will create a series of directories within the user directory to store its different certificates and private keys. Once this directory structure is created, we can load the certificate and private key that will be used for authentication. To load the authentication certificate and private key, you can either upload the two files through the I/O server setup screen, or you can copy the files by FTP into the user PKI_CLI auth directory. While both files must be present on the Flexy, only the certificate will appear in the list on the I/O server setup page. This same authentication certificate must be on the OPC UA server's list of trusted certificates. See the documentation of your OPC UA server for information about its certificate management process. Once your certificate and private key have been loaded onto your Flexy, in the authentication settings, select Certificate. Select the appropriate certificate and private key for this connection. Click Update to save your changes. You will now be able to connect and establish communications with your OPC UA server.